Good morning, guys. It's a new vlog. Oh my god, why am I zooming in? There we go. I'm gonna call Nadia and see if she's down to get some lunch. I don't know. I'm not trying to FaceTime her.
I stay doing that too.
Hello? Did you see my FaceTime?
Yeah.
What are you
Hey
up to?
girl,
Do you want to get lunch today?
Oh my god, yes. I'm like so bored. I was like,
Yeah.
why don't I?
It's so nice out. It's like you can't just stay home all day. Alright, so get ready and call me when you're good to go.
Alright, girl.
Alright, see you soon. What should we do while we wait for Nadia? I don't want to go home. I want to like keep enjoying the day. Do I have any errands to run? You know what? I gotta go to Harmon's. So let's go do that. Actually, I'm right next to the Maywood Marketplace and they sell the best fruits here. Like even better than Whole Foods. I don't know. I like the fruits here and they're a little less expensive than Whole Foods, I think. Or maybe they're the same. I don't really remember. So I'm gonna get hopefully some mangoes and strawberries and kiwis. I've been craving that. They didn't have the strawberry kiwi mix that I used to get. So instead I got, what is this mix? This is a orange, strawberry, and pineapple mix, which is still really good. I kind of wanted oranges also. And then I got a mango tub also. Guys, I'm at lunch with Nadia. We both got avocado toast. Oh my god, it looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. I just finished having lunch with Nadia. Her birthday is this coming weekend, but I'm not going to be here, so I just wanted to take her out for a little early birthday lunch. And now I'm going to get a pedicure. It's like 86 degrees and I am loving this weather. Love it. I love the heat. It just puts me in a better mood. All right, guys, I got some packages in the mail, so I figured I would open it with you guys. I feel like, okay, that's a little better. So the first one is from Loving Tan, and I'm so excited because you guys know I like to be tan. I always get spray tans. I haven't self-tanned in a while, just because I don't think I have any self-tanning products, but this changes it all. And they sent me two different self-tanners. They sent me the 2-hour deluxe bronzing mousse, and this is in the shade dark. I like that they have a 2-hour option for those days where you just like need a quick tan. And then they also sent me the deluxe bronzing mousse, the regular one, also in the shade dark. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these. I haven't used Loving Tan in so long. And then they also sent me the bronze shimmer luminous cream, and this one is an instant color. This is dark. This is really good for summer, like when you want a little color to your skin, like if you're showing off your legs. I like using creams like this. Can't wait to use that this summer. And we have a tan removing and skin polishing glove. Cool, that's what that looks like. And then they also sent a deluxe applicator mitt, which is very much needed. All right, next box literally just arrived right now and it's super heavy. Oh, how cute. It says fun stuff inside. It's a little envelope and it says not your mother's. Oh, cute. They sent little stickers. Oh, okay. These are hair products. Okay, we have dry shampoo. I always need dry shampoo. And it says the scent is warm sugar. Ooh. Oh, and by the way, this is from the brand called Not Your Mother's. Then we also got Double Take Dry Finish Texture Spray. I also love texture spray. I filmed my hair favorites video, which you guys will see soon, and I talk about texture spray. Love texture spray. A lot of times I'll use texture spray instead of hairspray. Okay. What else do we have here? We have Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector infused with natural keratin. I'm definitely gonna start spraying this when my hair is wet. So the 10 benefits that it gives you is it adds body, strengthens your hair, detangles, moisturizes, adds shine, controls frizz, repairs dry hair. It's a heat protectant, mends split ends, and seals your cuticles. Wow. Oh my God, they sent me Not Your Mother's shampoo and conditioner. They sent me the matcha green tea and wild apple blossom shampoo and the matching conditioner. And this is great for detox and purifying your hair and scalp. Oh my God, these products are so good. And then we have the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner. Oh wait, there's one more thing in here. I almost didn't see this. Okay, this is the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. This is a deep conditioning with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. What else? Now we have a package from Lawless. I think I know what this is actually. I think it's lip products, because I remember seeing a website with lip products and I want to say it's from Lawless. They're huge. I don't know if you guys can tell how big these are, but these are humongous. Like, these lip products are so huge. So they sent me 4 colors, and these are soft matte liquid lipsticks. This shade right here looks like it's like a deep burgundy shade, and it's called Dane. Golden looking color, like literally it's gold with like specks of gold in it as well. And this is the shade called Ryan. Ooh, this one is also very pretty. It's like a really deep red as well, and it's in the shade Romeo. The last shade they sent me looks like a very mauvey color, and this one is called Jake. And then we have just one more package, and it's actually something that I ordered. I'm very excited. I hope it fits. I ordered some shoes from Lola Shoutique. I was dying for a pair of like clear shoes, and I found a pair on their Instagram that I really liked, and they had it in stock on their website. Hopefully they're cute and comfortable. Oh my God, they look so cute, you guys. They look so cute. I'm gonna wear these all summer. So these are the shoes right here. It's so simple. They're just like a chunky heeled clear pair. This bottom part right here, the sole is gold. It is just so gorgeous. Cute, they're comfortable. I'll link them below for you guys if you want to check out the style, and they are true to size, if you're wondering. They definitely fit true to size. Today is one of those mornings, oh by the way, it's the next day, but it's one of those mornings where I need coffee immediately in order to function in any way possible. So I'm on my way to Starbucks. Yes, we're back to Starbucks. Could I get a grande iced vanilla latte with almond milk?
Grande iced vanilla latte?
Yeah.
With almond milk?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you. Hey guys, I have just finished getting ready. I have to go to an event tonight. I think it's a dinner party. I'm going to dinner with Fresh. I'm really excited because I love the Fresh products, and I'm just excited to get out the house because otherwise I'm just here. It's so beautiful. It's like 90 degrees. I'm actually showing my legs. I wish I had a good like tall mirror to show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna try to just show you right here. So this is what I'm wearing. It's an oversized t-shirt dress. I got it from Cotton On, and I think it's Guns N' Roses. And then this little black belt I got from Topshop a few months ago. And for shoes, I think I'm gonna wear the clear shoes that I got from Lola Shoutique. I'm actually gonna go grab them right now, and that's what I'm gonna wear for shoes. Anyways, here they are. These are the heels that I am wearing. They feel kind of slippery, but I'm gonna get in an Uber and they're probably gonna drop me off right in front of the restaurant, so I'm not too worried. I'm gonna walk Max really quick and then I'm gonna get going. But guys, this is where this vlog ends. If I end up vlogging at the event, then you guys will see that in the next vlog. Well, this weekend I'm actually heading to Texas. I know you guys have been wondering what trip I'm talking about. I'm going to Texas. I'll explain it more in the next vlog. But tomorrow we are going to finally pack, and I'm gonna try to pack with you guys to show you guys everything I'm taking and how I'm packing everything, because I'm actually only taking a carry-on, and that is a struggle for us girls. So we're gonna do that together in the next vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for ruining my outro, Max. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.